Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It's the weekend, so I'm going to do this as a weekend vlog. We went out for a meal this afternoon with Mike's family to a nice place, and I shall put that footage in now. Alright, Seth. That is a big dinner. Thank you.
Enjoy meal.
Yeah, very nice food. We're all proper full now after that. So me and Mike have got a duo tonight. We are working, but we are only local in Leeds, so we're going to go and do that. I'll take you with us. Last set now.
One more set to do.
Not going to take away. I mean, look at that! After all that food at Mike's house. 8 packets of crisps. I'm not eating out till tomorrow. We're going out for another meal tomorrow. Tomorrow night.
Another meal.
Yeah, well, you arranged it already.
Indian.
Indian buffet. Diet starts Monday.
Yeah, well.
And now we're back home. Just about to have a cup of tea. We've got no chocolate in the house. I know I said we weren't going to have out to eat.
Well, we have got some chocolate.
What happens is Zarina doesn't really eat much chocolate. So when she gets Christmas presents, she saves them. And then she sells them to us when we get hungry. And she's charged me £2 for this.
£2 for half eaten.
Bit ears off it.
£2, you paid £2 for that?
£2 for a chocolate she's bit ears off.
I think we should have a little bit and just give it back to her and say, no, I'm not interested.
And just eat it all. Just give her the foot back or something.
Yeah. God. It's off.
Yeah, sometimes she gives us out of date.
A big hole in it.
Out of date chocolate.
Big hole in it. £2. £2.
So I'm not going to end the vlog. I'm going to end today's here. I'm going to put it with tomorrow's. We're going out for a meal with friends to an Indian buffet.
Again.
So, I know, and then
Getting these meals in.
It's you keep arranging it. You keep arranging to go out for meals all the time.
It's cheap to eat out because we can't afford to turn a cooker on. So it's just cheaper just to go to a restaurant and eat out. Let them cook.
Yeah, anyway. Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. We've come out to a restaurant, just having a drink. Got a buffet. Indian. Savi's got a Christmas earrings in.
Does it go out with they go nice with my outfit?
They do go nice with your outfit at your times, but it's not Christmas. I'll give you a tour at buffet in a minute. So you got some pickles, sauces. You got this, which is a pickled pickle, potato and a potato dish. Very nice. Chicken and spinach. Very nice. Chicken tikka masala, chicken madras, chicken korma. Got a lot of chicken dishes. And you got some more chicken wings with rice. You got onion bhajis, potatoes, and chicken rolls. And you can have as much as that as you want. And you can order extras as well, like chips and poppadoms, naan bread. Just waiting for his friends to arrive and then we'll go sit down. Oh, look at these two. Oh,
Dad was the one who put my earrings in.
Dad put them Christmas earrings in. I won't put them in there, so I said, you end up taking them out. And I'll have to put your other ones back in.
Look at it up.
Ready? Look at Mike's new tattoo. Anybody, can you guess what that is? I'm going to tell you, don't tell them, Sam.
Don't tell them.
Leave it in the comments if you know
I'll give
who
you
that
clues.
is.
It's in Las Vegas.
Oh, we'll know now, won't they? Who is that, guys?
Who is that?
Well, we are back from another lovely meal. We went to the Royal Spice Indian restaurant in Wakefield and it was a buffet, eat as much as you like. I think it was $10.95 for adults and $6.95 for the kids. Didn't include drinks. We bought drinks, it wasn't expensive. I think it came to about £60. Yeah, £60 for us for including drinks. We ordered some extras as well, like chips. Chips are extra, poppadoms are extra, and naan breads are extra, so we ordered them. Yeah, the buffet don't come with chips, but it does come with rice, and it does come with like potato, what do you call them? I'd call them potato fritters, like flat round chips. So you don't need chips, but like Safi might want some chips, so we ordered them. Very nice meal. And another nice meal we had the day before. So yeah, busy weekend with being out, eating out, working and all that lot. So yeah, I'll edit this vlog and get this up and on YouTube tomorrow, and then we'll see what next week brings. Thanks for watching once again, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.